In this task, I'm going to be working with filtering data, and I have a worksheet up that has information on it with different types of toys from a company, and I'm going to select a range, filter two columns. The first column is the shipping method. The second column is the quantity in stock. First thing I have to do is select the range that contains the heading titles on my data chart, and I'm going to do that using the Go To dialog box, which is open with the keystroke Control G.
Control G, go to dialog, reference colon edit combo A1.
Okay, I'm going to type in my cell references, which is A9 colon J9, and that will select the range that I want to filter.
A9 colon J9, enter. Selected range A9, part number J9, right.
And here y'all say the selected range is A9 to J9. The first range was the part number. I'm going to use the right arrow key to find the first column that I want to filter, and that column is the shipping method.
Supplier number B9, supplier name C9, supplier contact D9, shipping method E9.
And there's the column that I want to filter. The method to filter the information or the data in this column is to go to the Data tab, the Sort and Filter option, and then select Filter. So I'm going to press the keystroke Alt-A to go to the Data tab.
Alt-A, upper ribbon, Data tab, 507. The change
Using
ribbon,
Control
right arrows.
Control right arrow, moving to Sort and Filter.
Lower ribbon, get external, refresh all split button, sort group box, sort A to Z button, 107.
And I'm going to right arrow to hear the filter option.
Sort button, filter button, 407. To move through the controls on this.
Press enter.
Enter, leaving menu bar. Shipping method E9, auto filter drop down.
And you hear Jaws read the title, shipping method, and said the word auto filter. What happens is a drop down box is placed in the cell in this column. To get to the information in that auto drop down box, I'm going to use Alt down arrow.
Menu, context menu. To move through items, press upward.
It opens up a menu. I'm going to unselect all the different items in this column and just choose the road shipping method. I'm going to use the arrow keys to get down to the all option. It's already checked, so I'm going to uncheck it and then move to the road option, check that, press enter, and it will sort everything out except the shipping method completed using roads.
Sort A to Z, S. Sort Z to A. Sort by cup, clear filter by cup, text filter, subtype words at level 0. Left parent select air, checked. Left parent select all, right parent checked.
And you hear Jaws say select all, checked, so I need to uncheck that.
Checked, not checked. Space, left parent select all, right.
It's unchecked, so now I'm going to arrow down to roads.
Air, not checked. Rail, not checked. Road, not checked.
And it says it's not checked, so I'm going to check it.
Not checked, checked. Space, road, checked. 4 or 5.
And then I'm going to press enter.
Enter, leaving menus. Shipping method, E9, auto filter drop down.
And it moves back to the shipping method column. And if I do a down arrow in that column, all I should hear is the word roads.
Road, E11. Road, E15. Road, E18.
Okay.
Road, shipping method, E9,
Okay.
auto.
The second part of the task is to go to this quantity in stock and then filter it out and choose the option that makes this test, everything in the quantity in stock, greater than the value of 2000. So I'm going to move to the quantity in stock column. It already has a drop down box. And then I'm going to open the drop down box, locate the numbers tab, open it, and there will be an option that says greater than. I'll press enter on that and then type in the value 2000, press enter, and that will filter out this row so that it shows me only the values of items in stock that are greater than 2000.
Toy category, F toy detail, G, die in stock, H9, auto filter drop down.
Again, to open the auto filter, you use Alt down arrow.
Menu, context menu to move through.
Opens up the context menu. I'm going to move to the numbers.
Sort smallest to largest, sort by color, clear filter from filter by color and omit, number filter submenu.
Number filter. Jaws says number filter submenu. A submenu is opened by right arrow.
Equals E.
First one is equals.
Does not equal
Does not equal.
Greater than G.
And then greater than. And then it says, Jaws says greater than ... which means you have to press enter to get to the dialog box where you're going to type in your value.
Enter menu, custom auto filter dialog. Show rows where colon, edit combo 0 of 15. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
It says type the value. So I'm going to type in 2000.
2 0 0 0.
I'm going to press enter.
Enter. Die in stock, H9, auto filter drop down.
Moves back to the column for quantity in stock, and if I down arrow, it should all be greater than 2,000 values.
5487,
5,000,
5874,
5,000,
8475, 2142, H26.
Okay, and that tells me that everything has been filtered out, the information on the chart is correct, and that completes this task.